Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about fractional fasting or fractional dry fasting. This means you're going to break down your fasting sessions into fractions, okay? So if, for instance, when you start a dry fast, you want to do something like 24 hours. And then you're going to take a break, a fraction, then you're going to repeat the process again, dry fast, and then a break. The reason we do this is because, especially if you're new at fasting, dry fasting, is that you don't want to overdo it. When you dry fast for an extended period of time, and especially if you're on a standard American diet, it can be dangerous. This is because the body will clean itself out, and if you are not clean enough to expel the waste, the toxins can back up and leach into your system. And this can cause a problem. So you want to do fractional dry fasting. So you might do a day, dry fasting 24 hours, and take a 2-day break, eating only fruits, then go back again to 2 days of dry fasting, then take a 2-day break to refeed with fruits, then do a 3-day dry fast, then break and go again 3 days feeding fruit on fruits only, and repeat. Obviously, with time, it's like a muscle. You're going to build your mental and physical ability to dry fast, and you can go up to 5 to 7 days dry fasting. Do not dry fast for a long period of time without supervision. I recommend you don't, because you have to be aware of what you are getting. Dry fasting is the best way to heal the body. There's nothing that compares to it, but you cannot jump from a standard American diet to a dry fast. It's potentially very dangerous. Always transition with fruits first. Fruits for weeks is even better. Do not, when I say fruits, I mean breakfast, lunch, and dinner fruits. And then you can transition to a dry fast, okay? You can also add herbs that can accentuate or boost the results from your dry fast. So I hope this helped you. This is a little clip on fractional dry fasting. If you have any questions, feel free and ask below.